Hi guys, this will be a short video because this is only example that I want that you copy. We have in this HTML with three elements, main header, an image and a paragraph. The header and the paragraph have the class text. In the header I have a name, and the paragraph I have a sentence, and in the image I have an image. Remember, the image has to be on the project. And the style, we start with the selectors. I use here the class test, open braces, color yellow, background color white, font size 5 rem. I know that you are currently adapted to use pixels, but in web development you must use rem. Why do we use rem? Rem is a measure of size in digital screens. Rem usually has a value of 16 pixels, but those pixels are relative pixels, not a standard pixel, because if you use pixels, the standard pixels, your web page can see badly because the people is going to access them in different electronics, just like phone, television, computer, laptop, and they have different resolutions. And with the image, we use the border radius. The border radius is the size of the border. Try to use always rem, and the border color black. And we're going to try it. Save all changes. We restart it, and we see the difference. Here the background is, where is the image? We can see the border because the image is so big. We have to configure it in other videos the size of the image. And here the header and the paragraph has the same style because we use the class. And that's all for this video. Goodbye.